Welcome back to Sofia Daily Language. Hi, everyone. I'm Sofia. It's great to see you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alexander. We're here to help you practice your English. Today, we are going to talk about simple conversation in the supermarket.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us out so that we can make more videos.
Yes, please. Let's go.
Excuse me, do you know where the fresh vegetables are?
Yes, they're right over there near the entrance. I can show you if you'd like.
Oh, that would be great. Thank you. I'm new to this supermarket.
No problem. I shop here all the time. The vegetables section is my first stop.
Wow, everything looks so fresh. I want to buy some tomatoes.
These tomatoes are usually the best. They're juicy and sweet.
Perfect. I'll take a few. Are you buying vegetables today, too?
Yes, I need some carrots and cucumbers for a salad.
Do you usually cook at home?
Yes, almost every day. I enjoy cooking. What about you?
I like cooking, but I'm still learning. I watch a lot of recipes online.
That's great. Cooking becomes easier with practice.
Do you know which apples are sweeter, the red ones or the green ones?
The red ones are sweeter. The green ones are more sour.
I'll take red ones then. I'm making an apple pie today.
Apple pie? That sounds delicious.
Do you bake often?
Not really, but I love eating baked desserts.
Maybe I can share the recipe with you.
I'd love that.
Where is the dairy section? I need milk and yogurt.
It's in aisle 5. Let's go together.
This supermarket is bigger than I expected.
Yes, it takes time to learn where everything is.
Do you prefer whole milk or low-fat milk?
I usually buy low fat. It's lighter.
I'll try that too. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Oh, they also have a discount today.
Really? That's good to know.
Yes, many products are on sale. There's a small sign.
I want to buy some snacks for tonight. Maybe chips or cookies.
The chips are in aisle 7. The cookies are in aisle 8.
Which brand do you recommend?
These chips here are my favorite. Crispy and not too salty.
Great. I'll try them. Do you eat snacks often?
Sometimes, usually when I watch movies.
Same here. I'm planning to watch a movie tonight.
Sounds relaxing. What movie?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a comedy.
Comedies are perfect for weekends.
I also need frozen vegetables. Do you know where they are?
Yes, right next to the ice cream freezers.
Oh, dangerous. If I go there, I might buy ice cream too.
I understand. I always end up buying ice cream.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate. What about you?
Vanilla. Simple, but always good.
Here are the frozen vegetables.
Great. I'll take a bag of mixed vegetables.
Good choice. They're easy to cook.
I need bread too. Which way is the bakery section?
Straight ahead. You'll smell the fresh bread.
Oh, wow. You're right. It smells amazing.
They bake bread every morning.
Which one should I choose?
This whole grain loaf is healthy and tastes great.
I'll take it. Thanks again.
Happy to help.
Prices here are not too bad.
Yes, especially if you look for weekly deals.
Do you use the store app?
Sometimes it's helpful for discounts.
I'll download it later. I want juice. Do you prefer orange or apple juice?
Orange juice, definitely. It's refreshing.
I agree. I'll take a bottle of orange juice too. Do you want sparkling water or regular water?
Regular water. Sparkling water feels weird to me.
Many people say that. I think I have everything I need.
Me too. Let's go to the checkout.
The line is long today.
Yes, weekends are always busy.
Do you usually come here alone?
Yes, shopping alone is faster for me.
True, but it's more fun with company.
That's also true. Today was fun.
Thank you for helping me around the supermarket.
You're welcome. Happy to help anytime.
Maybe next time I can show you a good recipe.
I'll look forward to that.
Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your movie tonight.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us out so that we can make more videos. Thank you.